guys, it's your girl NK, and today's topic, as you have seen the thumbnail, is about how to make your lip gloss or lipstick matte. Okay, so isko लागि first of all take any lipstick or lip gloss of your preference. Just for example, I'm gonna take this red lipstick, and I'm gonna use it like this. You can see it looks pretty red and pretty dramatic. Now where is my lipstick color? Okay, I'm just doing this because मलाई चाहिँ यो defined lines मन पर्दैन. Your preference यदि तिमीलाई मन पर्छ भने चाहिँ तिमी राख हैन. मलाई चाहिँ defined lines अलिकति पनि मन पर्दैन के. अनि त्यही भएर म जेल पनि स्मज गरेर आउँछु. And then take any powder. अब Johnson baby को powder ले पनि हुन्छ. जुन powder मन पर्छ, Pond's को powder ले पनि हुन्छ. Any powder of your preference. Take your brush, eyeshadow brush ले हुन्छ. Tap it. And then dab it gently. एकैचोटी चाहिँ त्यो पाउडर लिएर dab नगर्ने, because त्यस्तो गर्यो भने चाहिँ त्यो व्हाइट हुन्छ नि एकैचोटी भत्त गइहाल्छ के, कस्तो नराम्रो देखिन्छ. अलिअलि लिने, and then you can just do it like this. No, त्यो यताउता लायो भने you don't have to worry about that. त्यो त अलिअलि पछि सफा गरेर जान्छ. Just do it like this, you know. And there you go, it becomes matte. Matte भयो कि नै भनेर कसरी चेक गर्ने भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ take a paper towel. See, एकदमै कम. Now मलाई चाहिँ अझै यति गरेर छोडे पनि हुन्छ. मलाई चाहिँ यसमा अलिकति ड्रामा चेन्ज, अलिकति ड्रामा ब्रिङ गर्न मन पर्छ. So I'm going to take a lip liner of my choice, that is pink matte lip liner Kiss Beauty को, and I'm going to define the lines. Middle area ma alikiti I'm going to give a defined line. There you go. I hope you like the video. If you like it, do hit the like button, subscribe me for more, and stay tuned.